Is it the right time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? Today, we're going to take a deep dive into Nvidia. We previously published an initial report on our website, but now we're back with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has identified Nvidia as a buy candidate with a score of 2.14. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a gain of 9.81%. In other words, it has delivered an average return of 0.61% per day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the middle of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. However, there are indications of a potential further rise within this trend. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected 2.3% change over the next 3 months. This could result in a potential return ranging from -12.88% to 8.05%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted 235.4% change over the next year. This suggests a potential return between 204.3% and 277.47%. In terms of price, it could reach anywhere from $1,453.81 to $1,803.42 after a year. Our latest daily update for Nvidia brings important news. Nvidia stock has been upgraded from hold/accumulate to buy candidate after Friday's trading session. On the last day of trading, which was Friday, November 24, 2023, the Nvidia stock price experienced a decline of -1.93%, dropping from $487.16 to $477.76. This marks the third consecutive day of decrease. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated by 2.46%, reaching a low of $477.45 and a high of $489.21. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has shown a 1.76% gain, with its price oscillating. Interestingly, the decrease in volume aligns with the decrease in stock price, which can be seen as a positive sign, as volume tends to follow the stock. Specifically, the trading volume on the last day decreased by -60 million shares, with a total of 29 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $13.94 billion in value. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached by the stock was $505.48, while the lowest price was $138.84. Currently, the stock price is 5.48% or $27.72 below the 52-week high of $505.48, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Today, we're going to talk about some recent analyst ratings for Nvidia. BMO Capital recently gave Nvidia a buy grade with a hold action on Wednesday, November 22, 2023. Additionally, on the same day, BMO Capital gave Nvidia an outperform grade with a hold action. Wells Fargo also joined in, giving Nvidia an overweight grade with a hold action. Another positive rating came from KeyBank, who graded Nvidia as outperform with a hold action. And on Tuesday, November 21, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave Nvidia an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Nvidia stock a strong buy rating overall. They rate the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy. However, for return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. Let's take a closer look at the signals for Nvidia stock. Currently, the short-term moving average suggests a sell signal, while the long-term average indicates a buy signal. Since the short-term average is higher than the long-term average, this gives a positive forecast for the stock and suggests a general buy signal. If the stock experiences further gains, it may face resistance at around $492.16 from the short-term moving average. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it could find support around $454.32 from the long-term average. Breaking through the short-term average would send a buy signal, while breaking through the long-term average would send a sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also suggests a buy signal. However, there have been some negative signals that may affect the stock's short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, November 20, 2023, resulting in a 5.22% decline so far. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. The volume also decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume usually follows price movements. Today, we're going to explore some interesting signals in the stock market. Let's dive in. First up, we have the moving average convergence divergence, which is giving us a buy signal. On the other hand, the pivots indicator is indicating a sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger Bands, another popular technical indicator, gave us a buy signal 10 days ago. Looking at short-term moving averages, we received a sell signal 3 days ago. However, the long-term moving average is showing a buy signal 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also signaled a buy 14 days ago. Now, let's shift our focus to the 12-month chart analysis. The short moving average on this chart gave us a buy signal 17 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average provided a buy signal 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we'll discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. When it comes to support, Nvidia has found it at $468.35. This level presents a buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction when the support is tested. However, it's important to note that this stock is considered high risk due to its volatility. The Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval. Looking at the past day, the stock moved $11.76 between its high and low, which accounts for 2.46% of its value. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.94%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Nvidia, it's important to go over some key fundamental data. First, let's take a look at the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares the company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate strong growth in the future. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 28, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings report stand at $3.76. It's important to closely monitor these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be exploring potential day trading levels for Nvidia. If the stock is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia is at $487.16. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before considering a position. However, for those who currently hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if the stock is facing a downward movement, Nvidia encounters its first support level at $468.35. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, as we might anticipate a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Nvidia has a strong buy rating. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On October 6, 2023, Drell Persis sold 2,300 shares of common stock. On September 20, 2023, Sjoquist Deborah sold 7,951 shares of common stock. On September 20, 2023, Robertson Donald F. Jr. sold 3,068 shares of common stock. On September 20, 2023, Puri Ajay K. sold 8,458 shares of common stock. On September 20, 2023, Crest Colette sold 8,919 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be -18.426, indicating a negative trend. Overall, insiders have purchased 421,264 shares and sold 627,435 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $451.50, which is a decrease of 5.5%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, making it a high-risk investment. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 3 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, we believe that Nvidia stock presents a potential buying opportunity in the short term. Several positive signals and a favorable overall trend indicate that the stock may perform well. Furthermore, our systems indicate that the current price of Nvidia stock is undervalued, adding to its potential appeal. Looking ahead to Monday, November 27th, we expect Nvidia to open at $481.47, representing a $3.71 increase from the previous close. In today's video, we want to emphasize the importance of understanding the risks involved in trading. Please be aware that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It is crucial that you consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Remember, the information provided on StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the stock market. Share your opinion in the comments below. What do you believe is the target for this stock? Like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Wishing you success in your trading endeavors and have a fantastic day from all of us here at StockInvest.